developmental financial institutions or developmental finance institutions also you may write. Okay, but which is the purpose? Their purpose is to provide loan for developmental purpose. Okay, have you heard something about called NABARD? What is this NABARD? National Bank for Agriculture and Rural. What does the word stand for? D alphabet stands for. So purpose is to provide finance to agriculture. Not directly. It helps other financial institutions to finance the agriculture sector. So it acts as a guarantor. I'll tell you how NABARD actually works. Okay. Then also, can you name another one? IDBI is also, but IDBI has also been converted into a bank. So better is you write SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI, NABARD, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Okay. Now, if you will go on the RBI website and you will see, you may also write it. RBI classifies them as NBFIs. इनको भी RBI NBFIs ही बुलाते हैं, नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन. लेकिन डिफरेंस क्या है? But these are sector specific. लेकिन ये क्या है? Sector specific. But these are sector specific. Means like NABARD is for agriculture, SIDBI is for small industries. Clear? So they are sector specific, and their purpose is to provide developmental finance.